Today in this video we are going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV if it won't turn on and you are seeing a blinking or flashlight. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient and here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Remove both batteries from the remote control. Hold down the power button on the remote for 15 seconds. Then put the batteries back in the remote and try to turn on the TV. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this helped for you, thanks for watching.